Now I appreciate the adjustable strap, the drawstring, and the elastic band, especially because I have a small head, so this just helps with extra security to make sure that your unit is not going to go anywhere. Today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below, but let's go ahead and open this up. This is their 7x5 pre-everything water wave wig. This one is in the length 24 inches. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. See, they went ahead and pre-bleached the knots. They also pre-cut the lace. You get a comb on each side, get a comb in the nape area. You also get your adjustable straps, you get your removable elastic band, and then of course this is your drawstring. As far as the lace goes, I'm personally going to go ahead and add just a very small amount of tint before I put this on my head, because it looks like it might be just a little bit light, just a little bit. So for safe measures, I'm just going to go ahead and place that on. All I did was add my tint spray, place the unit on, tighten up my straps, and this could honestly be just worn out. Like, it looks that good. I haven't done anything, and I'm just like, wow, this looks good. Let's get into this hairline, okay? Let's get into the hairline. I mean, what can you say? It's speaking enough. So I love how they plucked this out. I feel like it looks really, really good. It looks very natural. It's not overdone. It's not underdone, okay? Because some hairlines, when they say it's pre-styled and pre-plucked and pre-everything, it ain't been plucked of nothing. But this one looks very, very good, y'all. I am just impressed how this looks, and all I did was plop it on my head. I haven't even done anything. As far as the parting space goes, the parting space looks really good. It is a 7x5 once again, so you can go further back. And then of course, you can also part this on the side if you choose to. And then of course, you can come on this side and part it. So as far as the parting space and the lace goes, definitely gets 2 thumbs up. I know you guys want to know about the fit on this, especially if you have a small head. This is on pretty snug. Now, the one thing I will say, even though it's on snug and I don't feel like it's going to move, right here on the side is where I notice a little bit of room in the cap area where I pull that string at. But do I feel like it's going to come off? No. It's laying down very, very flat. It's not bulging up here. It's just right here, right underneath here, where I noticed some extra cap at. On this side, it's laying down flat, but on this side is where I notice it at. Is it enough for me to be like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to deal with it? No. Pretty sure I can probably bobby pin that down. And also, if you feel in my head, you're probably not gonna feel it, okay? Don't be touching my head. Don't be worried about all that. And then as far as the fit on the side goes, by my ear, on this side, you see it looks good. That lace comes all the way over. And then on this side, it's the same thing. So my ear is not bulging out. I will say this side, I feel like it comes down a little bit more, but I think it's the way that hair is right there. But my ear is not, it's not in pain, okay? Because y'all know I complain about that sometimes when it fits very weird. But as far as the hair goes, 24 inches, I am 5'2", so it's probably going to look a little bit longer on me. I'm gonna stand up real quick. So this is what it looks like when I pull it down. Putting this on straight out of the box, I mean, it pretty much looks done already. So it's really just gonna be about me playing around with it and giving you guys different style options. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can see when it comes to this beauty, because it looks good already. I mean, the review could be over with. Like, bye y'all, see y'all next time. But no, I'm gonna play around with this and see what other styles I can come up with. And then of course, I will be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you guys my final thoughts. wig. Once I took it out the box and added my tint spray, like I told you guys, it looked like it was already ready to go. I really didn't have to do too much when it came to the middle part. It just looked so good. I was good to go. So the middle part was definitely my fave. The front of the hairline looked good. I did add a little bit of my mousse just to give it a more melted effect. But this one definitely would be getting an add to cart for me because I just love how easy it is and how ready to wear it is. But let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know which style was your fave. If you are interested in this one, I am gonna make sure to leave a link down below in the description area.